Good morning, this is Ken with NUTLEY Kia. Our latest arrival, 2018 Honda Pilot Touring, which is stock number KTK 347A. This vehicle, brand new, only 9,837 miles, absolutely loaded, full leather, impeccably maintained and clean, navigation, every possible option that Honda afforded, lane departure, blind spot. This is a black on black, sport wheels and tires, LED headlights and fog lights. Like I said, the car is absolutely impeccable. Roof rail. Just want to show you the second row, which by the way does have a DVD entertainment system up in the ceiling, full array of climate controls, reclining seats, third row, power lift gate. The car is incredible, very, very well maintained and clean. Power lift gate. And it does have a remote start. Hurry up on down, this car will not last long.